Fascinating world of animals. Name of animals that start with E. English mastery system. Elephant. Elephant is a large mammal with a long trunk, large ears, and tusks native to Africa and Asia. The elephant's trunk is extremely flexible and can even be used for grasping small objects. Elephants are known for their intelligence and emotional capacity, mourning their dead and sometimes showing affection towards their caretakers. Elephants can weigh up to 6 tons, making them one of the largest land animals on Earth. Eagle. Eagle is a large bird of prey with a hooked beak and broad wings, known for its keen eyesight and powerful flight. The bald eagle is a symbol of the United States of America. Eagles are carnivorous and can catch and eat prey that is much larger than themselves. Eagles build their nests, or eyries, in high cliffs or trees. Eurasian eagle owl. Eurasian eagle owl is a large owl from Europe and Asia, with distinctive ear tufts and a wingspan of up to 6 feet. The Eurasian eagle owl is one of the largest owl species in the world. These owls prefer rocky, mountainous habitats and are known to hunt a variety of prey, from rodents to other birds. Eurasian eagle owls have a distinctive sounds. European goldfinch. European goldfinch is a small, brightly colored finch found across much of Europe and Western Asia. The European goldfinch is easily recognizable by its red face and bright yellow wings. These birds are known for their cheerful and melodious song. European goldfinches eat primarily seeds and are attracted to gardens and bird feeders. Eel. Eel is a long, slender fish with a snake-like body and no pelvic fins. The electric eel, a species of freshwater eel found in South America, can produce powerful electric shocks to stun prey and defend itself. Eels are considered a delicacy in many countries and are often served grilled or smoked. American eels can migrate from freshwater to saltwater environments, traveling up to 2,000 miles in the process. Emu. Emu is a flightless bird native to Australia, similar in appearance to an ostrich. Emus have long legs and a distinctive shaggy plume of feathers on their head and neck. These birds can run at speeds up to 30 miles per hour and can jump up to 7 feet high. Emus are omnivorous, eating a varied diet of plants, insects, and small animals. Earwig. Earwig is a small, flattened insect with pincers on its rear end and a pair of wings. Earwigs are considered pests by gardeners, as they can damage plants and vegetables. The name earwig comes from a popular myth that these insects crawl into people's ears while they sleep. Earwigs are found worldwide and are most active at night. Echidna. Echidna is a small, spiny mammal native to Australia and New Guinea, similar in appearance to a hedgehog. Echidnas are egg-laying mammals, also known as monotremes. These animals have a long snout that they use to hunt insects and other small prey.
Echidnas are one of the few animals that can survive in Australia's harsh desert environments.
Emperor penguin. Emperor penguin is the largest species of penguin, native to Antarctica. Emperor penguins can grow up to 3.7 feet tall and weigh up to 90 pounds. These birds are famous for their chilly habitat and their ability to huddle together to conserve warmth. Emperor penguins can dive up to 1,800 feet underwater in search of food. Elephant seal. Elephant seal is a large seal native to the Pacific and Antarctic Oceans, named for its elephant-like trunk-like nose and size. Elephant seals can weigh up to 8,800 pounds and grow up to 16 feet in length. These seals are known for their loud, distinctive barking calls. Male elephant seals compete for mates in fiercely aggressive battles. Elk. Elk is a large deer species native to North America and Asia. Elk, also known as wapiti, can weigh up to 1,100 pounds and have distinctive, branching antlers. These animals are a popular game species in hunting culture. Elk are herbivorous, feeding on a diet of grasses and shrubs. Electric eel. Electric eel is a species of freshwater fish found in South America, capable of generating powerful electrical shocks to defend itself and stun prey. Electric eels can grow up to 8 feet in length and weigh up to 44 pounds. These fish are not true eels, but are actually a type of knife fish. The electric shocks generated by electric eels can be fatal to humans. Eland. Eland is a large antelope species native to Africa. Elands, also known as antelopes, can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and have distinctive spiraling horns. These animals are known for their impressive leaping ability, able to jump over fences that are 8 feet high. Male elands use their horns to fight for dominance and mating rights. Electric ray. Electric ray is a type of fish found in coastal waters around the world, capable of generating electric shocks to defend itself and stun prey. Electric rays, also known as numbfish, can grow up to 6 feet in length. These fish are closely related to sharks and rays. The shocks generated by electric rays can be used to treat chronic pain in humans. Eastern grey kangaroo. Eastern grey kangaroo is a type of kangaroo found in eastern Australia, known for its distinctive grey-brown fur and powerful hind legs. Eastern grey kangaroos can weigh up to 145 pounds and grow up to 7 feet in length. These kangaroos are herbivorous, feeding on a diet of grasses and other plants. Eastern grey kangaroos are the most commonly seen species of kangaroo. Eastern gorilla. Eastern gorilla is a species of gorilla native to Central Africa, known for its distinctive black fur and powerful build. Eastern gorillas can weigh up to 440 pounds and grow up to 6 feet tall. These animals are herbivorous, feeding on a diet of leaves, stems, and other vegetation. Eastern gorillas are considered critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Elephant shrew. Elephant shrew is a small, insect-eating mammal found in Africa, known for its elongated snout and hopping gait. Elephant shrews can weigh up to 1 pound and have several toes on each foot, which they use to grip onto vegetation and rocks. These animals are also known as sengis. Elephant shrews are not related to true shrews, but are instead classified in their own family. Emperor tamarin. Emperor tamarin is a species of monkey found in the Amazon basin of South America, known for its distinctive white mustache. Emperor tamarins can grow up to 10 inches tall and weigh up to 1 pound. These monkeys are social animals, living in family groups of up to 10 individuals. Emperor tamarins are omnivorous, eating a diet of fruits, insects, and small animals. Egyptian Mau. Egyptian Mau is a breed of domestic cat originating from Egypt, known for its spotted fur pattern and athletic build. Egyptian Mouse have been depicted in ancient Egyptian art and are considered one of the oldest cat breeds. These cats are known for their affectionate and playful personalities. Egyptian Mouse are one of the few cat breeds that enjoy swimming. English Pointer. English Pointer is a breed of dog traditionally used for hunting, known for its keen sense of smell and ability to point towards prey. English Pointers are athletic dogs with short, smooth fur. These dogs are popular in hunting circles but can also make loyal family pets. English Pointers are highly trainable and excel at obedience and agility competitions. Eskimo Dog. Eskimo Dog is a breed of working dog originating from the Arctic regions of North America, traditionally used as sled dogs by indigenous peoples. Eskimo dogs have thick fur, which helps protect them from the cold. These dogs are highly adaptable and have been known to thrive in extreme temperatures. Eskimo dogs are known for their loyalty and affectionate personalities. Egret. Egret is a type of wading bird found in warm climates around the world, known for its long legs and distinctive plumes of white feathers. An egret is a long-legged bird belonging to the heron family, with white or gray plumage and often characterized by long plumes during the breeding season. Egrets are closely related to herons and are often found near wetlands and shallow bodies of water. These birds are carnivorous and feed on a diet of fish and other small prey. As we walked along the pond, we spotted a beautiful egret fishing for its breakfast. The egret gracefully spread its wings and took flight over the marshy wetlands. I love watching the dance-like movements of the egret as it moves through the shallow waters.